You step daddy. You step daddy. You step daddy. Hey.
So yeah, you got the fastest draw right now. Overall, a 311.
I can run my SIG faster than your Glock.
Cap. What's good with y'all, man? Welcome back to the channel for another fire ass video. Nah, scratch that, another windy ass video. So today we are going to be running some EDC drills, man. Just something real quick, slight, because you know it's that summertime, and so we gotta get on our stuff, bro. What EDC you running with today? Because I heard word on the street is you got a new EDC.
It's sensational.
Ooh, got that SIG, what, X macro?
Yeah, SIG X macro.
And what's your EDC, young man?
19. Ex-girlfriend. Yeah, you can't see it, can you?
No.
So,
Yeah.
oh. So did you call it your ex-girlfriend because you left it for the 26 and then came back to her?
Yeah, so 26, she got a little bit too big.
He started with the 43X, then went to the 26. He's just an
I'm just all over the world. Now I'm thinking about changing it up. I'm just all over.
You know,
Okay.
taking his buns right now.
You never know. If you're a perfect size like me, you can almost eat the skin.
I want to see it right now.
Look better than yours.
I can see yours though.
I do got a smaller shirt too.
Nah, his a little bit better.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Don't do that. You're touching me. I'm ready to shoot. I feel good, man. Let's get it.
All right, dude, that's a bet. All we're doing is we're gonna be drawing. First shot on the A zone, then transition into the B zone, double tap. And so this A zone is pretty small, man. It's like a headshot, so that's why we only gonna give it one. That's about the size of my head, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's about a headshot. So.
So-
And it's about tallest one too.
So I'm gonna just imagine this Chris head. Basically. Same height.
No. When y'all like the video, guess what? More people see it. When y'all comment on the video, guess what? More people see it. More people see it. Guess what that means? More guns and more content, all right? So go ahead, beat that like button up, drop a comment, drop your grandma's middle name, all right, if y'all know it. Lucky number one, I'm gonna be the first one, so let's see what happens. I'm taking it easy on y'all first, though, all right?
Are we gonna average the times?
Huh? That was a little slow on the draw.
The first shot.
Why are you yelling?
I started with my hands down. 186 and overall a 311.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Did you miss that?
Yeah. Did I? That is.
Yeah.
Missed it.
What's
Only shot once more, but 390.
390. Okay. Drop pretty good.
390. 171.
Did you miss that, Brittany?
Did I?
Yeah, you missed that.
It sounded like he hit
It sound like
it. It sounded like he hit it.
We don't play it.
We're gonna have somebody watch dirt. 174 and 347. I felt like that was a
What was the
recipe.
second shot? I mean, that third shot. If you did hit, which I don't think you did.
307.
307. You're trying to beat me.
I feel like I'm moving slow though.
Yeah, same.
Sheesh.
Damn, slow ass drop. All right, so that was a 163 on the draw. Total 263.
That's not bad.
0.21 split. Shout out to Johnny Glock.
That's not bad.
He got triggers for SIG.
I knew.
Is there a
Johnny
SIG?
Glock got triggers for SIG?
That,
Really?
You probably got a brother named Johnny C. It's gonna be hard for me to kind of compete with that. I'm gonna take my time. I don't care what you got. What you got.
Must play.
For sure.
Are you ready? Set. Go.
Did I hit that thing?
I don't think so. I didn't hear it. Cause that thing, it dings.
Yeah, dang.
It dings, like not like my bullshit, but it dings.
391. If I didn't miss, It been a 275.
Yeah, okay, that ain't bad.
Draw was 158.
158? Okay, that ain't bad. Nah, for sure.
I gotta like loosen up. I'm too still. Yeah.
We'll be practicing this.
Nah, at
Yeah,
all.
we got away from it though.
Yeah, because we start doing battle belts.
Battle belts.
Yeah.
Out of waistband. Oh, got a crick in my neck.
Bro, I think we're hitting it. It's still pinging from that first one, so it'll stop that ping.
Do you think so?
Nah.
The first shot was 160.
Oh, okay.
158.
So yeah, you got a fast draw right now.
Well, yeah, because remember I stopped when I shot.
Mm-hmm. What was 3?
278.
Okay, that ain't bad.
All right, I ain't missing.
Alright.
But what you been doing? What you been doing? Regular?
Well, this uneven terrain is a mother. This isn't croc friendly at all.
You missed it. You
I
missed
missed.
it. Yeah, you hit dirt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what we need somebody to watch that dirt.
Yeah, I seen the dirt pop up.
That was a 146 on the draw. And then a 473. If I wouldn't have missed, that was a 237.
Ah.
I got caught in the shirt. It's all good. One more time. One more time.
Shirt got me again.
Can I get a read?
Alright, so first draw 164.
164.
Total time 384. And if I didn't miss, it would have been a 281.
Okay, that ain't bad. That ain't bad at all.
Hey, you talking about me?
Loosen up, my boy.
My riders get loose.
Ooh, yeah.
168 and a 281.
281. That ain't bad. What was that split? Okay, a 29. Okay. 29 split. That ain't bad, bro.
Not bad, not bad.
Bro, on the cool, our first draw should be like in the 1-3s on the cool.
God dang.
On the 1-3s. That's how I feel. Shooter ready? One 6. But you know what? Now that I think about it, that's a smaller target.
Small target.
Try that one. Try the Bizon. Shooter ready? One 4-2.
You gotta be under
Yeah.
1. That first draw, under 1.
Under what?
I seen people, bro, I seen people 0.8.
On small targets? Yeah. Shooter ready? Rambo J was faster. That was a 128 Rambo J, and then yours was a 138. Split second off. All right, ready?
Drawing like this?
No, up here.
Yeah, you can draw quicker. You can draw quicker with your hands up.
Yeah, I was trying like this because I never run.
Yes, yeah, I was, that's why I did it, because people in my comments talk about I don't do it. I don't draw like with my hands down. Shooter ready? Oh, what happened? You out of
I ain't
bullets?
got, yeah, I ain't got.
Hey, I
Out
just
of
popped the
rounds.
shot. I seen you get it out quick. I said, whoa.
Oh. 342. First shot, 1.5. All right. My time was 342.
You said you don't want to go by Chris anymore.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Oh, you practicing now?
You said clear street, didn't you?
No, I don't remember that point, but you missed your first shot, my brother. I ain't gotta worry about Chris no more. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everybody out that bad boy. A layup, too.
You said layup. Hey, we gotta get out there and hoop.
Nah, for real. Let's do it.
First shot, 171 though.
Rambo, do it. Chris took the dub today.
Wait, what?
Nah, I ain't trying to hear it. All right, we sleepy, we tired.
What's going on?
We haven't been to the range in 6 days. I don't know what to tell y'all, man.
Hey.
That hit.
Slow, though.
No, you hit that.
That was a little slow.
Yeah, that was 176. 294.
294.
I gotta redeem myself. You don't need it.
Yeah, I finished the course.
I did too. You said clear the tree.
I don't remember saying nothing like that.
Dang, we can't even share mags no more.
Yeah, we can. It'll work.
Oh, you shaking too.
I was trying to hold it when I picked it up.
She's smoking. Ooh, that made my testicles hot.
I can run my SIG faster than your Glock.
Cap. My flat. Let me see. My fastest split. Hey. So my fastest split was
You
a
was
point.
missing though. You was missing in the
I
beginning.
don't know what you're talking about.
You was missing in the
That
beginning.
no.
Ready? You ready, baby?
The dirt is included. Hold on a second. All right, shooter ready?
Little britches.
Dirt included.
Shooter ready?
Dirt included.
See what we're working with. Okay.
My finger actually got a cramp, to be honest.
Your fastest one was a .21.
I can go faster. My finger like.
Nah, I can go faster. I can probably do a .16 if I'm not aiming. A wild story though. That used to be Rambo J's gun.
Dang.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that used to be reunited. It feels so good.
How you gonna do this to
He
my
did.
I know.
Did do that. You did that there. Right there. That always happened.
You did it too.
That's why I said it always happened.
Yeah.
You
One man's trash is another man's treasure.
That's true.
He made that thing. He treated her right too. You ain't got a nail done. Nah. I went and took the Glock 20 and got her nails done. You know what I'm saying? Got a little BBL, but you went and
Yeah, you done
Yeah,
went
you
and
got
made
teeth
it.
Got
done.
breastis. Yeah, for sure.
I ain't used to that trigger.
Yeah.
I gotta get used to it. Wait, hold on.
Them splits.
It's quick. Yeah. It's quick.
That's something I gotta get used to because I'm
That's a
resetting
short.
too much.
That's a short trigger. Yeah.
Yeah, it's that
He said,
reset,
pop,
bro.
pop. I know them ain't no fast.
Nah, bro, you gotta really sit on it. You gotta really sit on it. It's kind of hard, ain't it?
Dang, I gotta get some rounds.
You gotta sit on it.
Yeah.
What were those splits?
0.81.
Ain't no way.
Oh, no. 0.18, my bad.
Yeah. Those splits quick.
0.23, 0.20.
It ain't seem like it.
21, 20. Mine was Dookie water.
Running this new Johnny Glock trigger with the Vex, well, should I call it the Vex shoe? But yo, it's a top, man, for sure. I'm gonna run it some more. Y'all gonna see me running some more, and I'll do y'all a full review after I run it some more, because y'all know I don't like to just shoot something a few times and then give y'all my explanation. So I'm gonna run it some more, and I'm gonna give y'all a full review on this Johnny Glock Vex shoe. All right, so go ahead, beat that like button up, man. Drop a comment. Let us know if y'all, whatever y'all want to see. Do y'all think GSG should upgrade his SIG trigger? Nah, he only likes stock stuff though. He only likes stock stuff.
Honestly, after I got that comp, remember I wasn't feeling that comp.
Yeah.
But once I ran it and like it ain't hiccup not once, I'm starting to loosen up a little bit.
Okay. All right.
But then your trigger, that last trigger, I was like, nah, I ain't never changing my trigger.
What about now?
Then I don't know, I got to see it in action.
Okay.
So far, so good though.
Yeah, so far so good, man. And no more light purple strikes too. So
Yeah.
But yeah, man, we up. I appreciate y'all. We should be at 100K, hopefully about 15 minutes.
Today.
Yeah.
Today. Get him there.
Appreciate y'all. Until next time.